really a fun experience, and for my first solo campaign, it's really a blessing that I got to do such a commercial and video just like this one. And for such a strong campaign that this product, I'm so grateful for Johnny forever.
I love that you also really immersed us dun sa three worlds na nakita po natin. And I want to ask then, Miss Jen, ito na yung moment mo. Mahirap ba siya mag-set? Ayun na, ito na yung moment mo. Lalaga na.
Sayang kasi wala akong ulan. And this was really fun to work with. Actually, what he said, nag-hear namin, and he really was having fun during the shoot. Pinakita niya na nasa training siya. He was actually on top of the train. And he really had fun. You heard his accent during the Golden Morning you see. That was also something that he really wanted. Yeah.
Kasi nga, even kahit sa scene na nasa train ako, I did that where I had to jump, so it was really a very active commercial shoot. And it was very different from the other shoots that I've done in the past.
Really?
Yes.
Kasi ano lang face card ng ibang shoots mo, ganyan na, tingin ka lang, tapos pwede na. Nag-request ka, gusto ko yung action star, dyan. What's a part of, what's your favorite part of the shoot? Yung nasa train, or nasa skateboard, or naka-chill na lang siya?
You know what? Kahit sa shoot din, I can't really say which was my favorite talaga. Because in each of the worlds, I enjoyed the different aspects that the vibe and the adventure had brought.
And yung tatlong world natin na approach Jella, was that really with the intention that especially na tatlong different flavor na pinapakita natin? What was the intention behind yung, okay, naman tatlong yung adventure natin na mapakita natin on the shoot?
Yeah, actually, at Jollibee, it's intentional. We really want to make the food experience more exciting. So we brought out different worlds to represent the different flavors of Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich. So whether you're craving for something creamy, or smoky, or chili, or cheese, you have that with Jollibee.
Indeed, and I've asked already at the list kanina, sino ba ang pinaka-favorite na flavor or your favorite? Meron ka na mga answer na mabibigay? Parang ngayon naisip ko, ito na yung flavor na gusto ko.
You know what? I guess we will have to find out later because I have a lot of activities, and maybe just then we'll find out which one is my favorite.
Okay.